I walk like I'm holy, but I'm breaking inside. Wore a mask for the church doors, let the truth slide. I've been praying in silence, crying at night. Got a heart full of secrets, and it ain't right. Every lie I've told got weight to it. Every wrong I've done got changed. But your name still calls through the ruins, and I'm ready to break these flames. I got something to hide, but Lord, I'm tired of hiding. Been running from lies, but now I'm done with denying. Let your mercy find me, wash me in your fire. I got something to hide, but Lord, I'm tired of hiding. There's a voice in the valley that knows my name. It don't sound like judgment, it sounds like